Hello, my name is Abby from the Adventure Science Center, and today we're going to be experimenting with balloons. First, we're going to start off with a water balloon. So I'm going to put my balloon over our faucet like so. Start filling it up with water. As it gets heavy, it'll start weighing it down some. That's probably good. It's going to get a little messy. There we go. Next, we have to add some air to our water balloon. So why have I just shown you how to make a water balloon? Well, we're going to add some fire. Remember, kids, we do require that you have adult supervision if you're going to attempt any of this for the rest of the project. We have a water balloon, we have some fire, and we're going to go outside for this next part. Here we are outside. We've got our water balloon and our trusty lighter. Hopefully it's trusty. Now what happens if I were to put our flame, remember kids, do not try this at home without your adult supervision, our flame right underneath our water balloon. What happened? You'll see that the lighter did indeed leave a mark on our balloon, but it didn't pop, as that was what you were expecting. So what's going to happen when we move our flame from the water to the air? So why did our water balloon behave that way? Well, the water at the bottom of the balloon actually absorbed all of the heat that was coming off of our flame. And then as soon as we moved it up to the air, you could see how the balloon would react in the way that you would predict it would.